Assalamu alaikum. Dear viewers, in this video you will learn in detail that how to convert a two-dimensional plan of a residential building to 3D model. So this is a very important video, and by learning this video you can convert any 2D plan to a 3D model. So this is very important, and we will be using this plan as you can see on the screen. And this is a residential building. The plan of a residential building. This is the guest room, this is the veranda, in the front the car porch, and this is the uh, TV lounge, this is the kitchen, and this is the bedroom 1, this is the bedroom 2, and this is the attached bathroom with this bedroom, and this is the attached bathroom with this uh, bedroom, and this is the outside open area. So now to start, and here there is a window, and here is a door, the outer side from this room, from this bedroom. So now to extend this 2D plan to a 3D model, so let's start. So we will first uh, make these walls to be closed regions. So these are now are the closed regions. As you can see, when I select the one line, the whole object is selected. So these are the now at a position to extend or to extrude. So now we will make first the isometric view by rotating this in by along with the shape we will move the mouse, so it will along with the shape you will press the shape button and will press the scroll button in the mouse and will move the mouse. So by applying these three buttons at the same time, so we can rotate the plant to an isometric view. So this is now approximately the isometric view, and now we will extrude each of the walls to the desired height of 10 feet. The height of the building from the top of floor to the bottom of the roof or to the ceiling. So this is the height will be 10 feet. So now to extrude each of the wall, so we will start from here and we'll enter in the command line we write the extrude and then we'll enter. Now you can see in the command line it required to select the object, so we want to extrude this object. So now you can see the object has been selected, and now we have to click on the enter button. Once we click just on the enter button, now it is extruding to the height you have to specify. Now in the command line you can see it required to specify the extrusion, the height of extrusion. So now we have to extrude up to 10 feet, so we will write 10 feet and will enter. So now you can see the height of the wall has been fixed to a height of 10 feet. Now we have to extrude the another wall. So but before going to that, we will change the layer so that it would be clearly and a good view to come to be in the wall. So now you can see this is the view. So now one wall has been extruded to a height of 10 feet. Now we have to extrude the another wall. So we will write the extrude in the command line and we'll enter. Now we'll select the object and then enter. So now you can see it required to specify the height. So the height is 10 feet and we'll then enter. Now you can see the height has been placed to a height of 10 feet of the wall. Now we have to extrude the other walls. Now we have to extrude this wall. We'll enter. Now we'll select the object and we'll extrude by 10 feet. Now then enter and select the object and we'll enter the extrusion height of 10 feet. Now you can see the some portion of the wall has been extruded to a height of 10 feet. So now we have to extrude the other walls to a height of 10 feet. We have to extrude this wall. So we'll enter and we'll click on the select object and we'll hit enter. Now to extrude to a height of 10 feet. And now we have to extrude this wall. We'll enter and we'll select the object. We'll then again enter. We'll specify the height of 10 feet. Now you can see the height has been, some wall has been extruded to the height of 10 feet. So now we will extrude this wall and we'll enter. We'll select the object and we'll then again enter and specify the assign the height of 10 feet. Height of and now we have to specify the height of 10 feet to this figure. Now we'll write the extrude in the command line, extrude and then enter, and then we'll select the object and then again enter, and we'll enter a height of 10 feet. Now you can see this wall has been also extruded to a height of 10 feet. Now we have to extrude the other walls, which is this one, and we will enter and we'll select the object and then again enter, and now we have to extrude to a height of 10 feet, and now to extrude this wall we'll select and then enter. Now to specify the height of 10 feet. So the walls for the 2 bedrooms and the washroom, attached washroom or bathrooms has been extended to a height of 10 feet. Now we will be extruding the other walls. As you can see the progress of the extending of 2D plan to 3D model. So you are looking here. Now we will enter and then we'll select the object and then we'll enter again and we'll specify a height of 10 feet. And then we'll select this object, meaning the walls, and then again enter and we'll specify a height of 10 feet. And then we'll select this wall and again by selecting and then extruding to a height of 10 feet. Now to extend this one to a height of 10 feet. Select and we'll then enter, and by providing the height of 10 feet as extrusion, Now we'll select this object. We have to make it a boundary now first before. So we will take enter the boundary, we'll take the point, and then you can see now it has been made a closed region. Click on boundary, then select there and hit enter. Now you can see it has been now written as a single object, and now we will extrude it. Now we will enter the extrude in the command line and then enter, and we'll select the object and then again enter, and now we have to specify the height of 10 feet. So till now different walls has been extruded to a height of 10 feet, and now we have to extrude the remaining wall, which is these ones. Now we will enter and we'll select the object and then again enter, and we'll now to specify the height, the extruded height of 10 feet, and then we will extrude this object, we'll select and then enter, and it will be extruded to a height of 10 feet. So now you can see that different walls has been extruded on this residential building to the 3D model. As you can see, this was what to convert or extend or 2D plan to a 3D model. Now we can also draw the doors and the ventilators, windows. So this was what all about that, how to convert a 2D model to a 3D plan. So now, till now, if you have any question, you can ask in the comment section. And now I think it is enough to close the video here, because we have created the 3D model from the 2D plan, which was the task of this video. So if you have any confusion or question in this video, you can ask in the comment section, and thank you for watching this video.